everyone, how y'all doing? Welcome to Backroad Freedom. My name is Justin, and this is Backroad Freedom. Today, I'm at Inks Lake State Park in the Texas Hill Country, just west of Burnett, Texas, northwest of Marble Falls. It's gonna be a great time. A little windy right now. We're under a wind advisory. It's a little cool. I didn't dress, the part. I'm in shorts, shoes, t-shirt, but the wind is really going right now. It's blowing, y'all. But I got a campsite right on the water, so I'm gonna show y'all the campsite, show y'all around and everything, and we're gonna get to camping. So let's go, y'all.
We're on a boat, we're feeling fine. Drinking Tennessee whiskey, a big blue sky. We're going up, we're coming down. There's a party on the water, it's a hell of a time. We're on a boat, we're killing time.
All right, so I'm at campsite 347, and it's one of the sites right along the water there. I like all this granite. Look at all the granite. You got your picnic table. You got your lantern hanging there, right there. Little pole for hanging your lantern. You got your fire ring right here. That is kind of close. So if you're at a camper, isn't that kind of close? A little too close? I don't know if it's a little too close. Man, it's real windy. I hope the audio is not messed up. If it is, my apologies, y'all. This is wonderful though. I just love it. I'm gonna be just doing an overnighter here, and then I'm actually gonna be heading to my mom's house in the Dallas-Fort Worth area and on Saturday. And then on Sunday morning, I'm getting up and I'm hauling butt all the way up to Kansas to see my son and spend time with him for a whole week on a spring break. I will most likely be going live at least 2 or 3 times during the week, and hopefully makes quite a few at least 3 videos for you guys while I'm there. So got some adventures coming up, y'all. No electricity, just water. So it's got the water right there. This is cool, this is cool, this is cool. Let's go check out the water. Got a trail that goes right here. Oh man, this is awesome. Right at the water. You can do some fishing, swimming. Oh yeah, waves are really going right now. Just check that out, y'all. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. And here's another spot right here. You can fish if you want. Just watch out for all the trees right there. Got another little spot over here. I mean, if you just wanted, you can jump right in there. You go swimming right out that way. Just like your path, you can go right here, jump in there, go swimming out there. I will come back out here for y'all when it warms up, and because the water, and hopefully not on a windy day, because the water here is pretty clear, and you're gonna love it. The last time I was here was with my son back in July. I have a video. I'll try to put a card up above right now if y'all want to check that out after this video. And yeah, we had a good time. It was fun. Did a little swimming around, tubing, just chilling, having a good time camping. But here is my setup. As you can see, I brought my e-bike, a moped style e-bike. I'm actually gonna have to sleep in here with this in there too. So I might try to move it over, lean it, or move this over that way and then put my legs underneath. I don't know. I was supposed to have my rooftop tent on because I got this Dayton Fab bud rack system on. Dayton metal fab, if y'all can see that. This thing's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I plan on doing some adventures and stuff. I'm gonna go back over here. It's a little windy. I plan on getting a rooftop tent put on. I have it. It's just chilling in my house right now. But I plan on putting it on top and taking it wherever I go camping. So I can also have my e-bike in there or have a kayak down below as well. So, but I don't have my rooftop tent on. I'm gonna have to sleep in there with this e-bike. I didn't check to see if I have service, so I might go live tonight like I do usually on Friday nights at 7 p.m. Central. It is Friday, March 8th. So, yes, windy right now. Windy. I want to kind of get set up to sit down, chill out, maybe have a cold snack. Oh, guess what? I got some new koozies, and I'll show you the ones that I ordered. These are the ones that I ordered, right? So I think I got like 8 of these bad boys. Just the black. Backroad Freedom, the Texas. They also sent me one of these. Check that out. It's got the Texas flag all around it, plus the, look at that. That's very cool. Very cool. I like it. I need to, they got some stuff in there, some paper and the receipt and stuff. I'm gonna find out. I might actually get more of those, that kind, with the Texas flag all in it. That's pretty cool. I saw the color, I just saw this and I was like, wait, I did black, not blue. And I started pulling it out and I was like, man, that is awesome. I like it, I like it. And for dinner, y'all, we're gonna be doing a Mountain House meal today, all right? We're probably gonna do the chili mac. So, I know it's nothing special. I needed something quick and easy. It is windy, I might have to cook it on the other side of the truck because the wind is coming directly straight this way. Blowing right into the truck, I don't know. So I may not be able to cook right there. I might be able to sit on the other side of my truck, on the front side, maybe block the wind a little bit. Because I didn't bring my big stove or nothing. I just brought my little Japanese backpacking, my Soto backpacking stove that I like. I love it. Cheers, y'all. I may not be doing much today, actually. Not today. Man, it's pretty windy. I'll show y'all here in a second how I'm gonna be sleeping tonight. Cheers. Of course, you got someone mowing over there. That's annoying. You don't want to hear that while camping, do you? I was wondering. Looks like he got a long ways to go too. Oh well. That's really annoying. All right, this is the Soto stove right here I'm going to use. Butane goes right in here. Push, twist, locked in. Igniter switches under here. Turn this on. That wind really is blowing right now. So with the chili mac, this Mountain House, it says open package and tear out notch, remove the discard oxygen absorber that's inside. Then carefully add 1.5 cups, 12 fluid ounces of boiling water. And then stir carefully, close zipper, wait 5 minutes, stir again, reseal, let stand additional 4 minutes. So a total of 9 minutes, stir and enjoy right out of the pouch. This is best by June of 2053. All right, so I messed up a little bit. This is a little runny. I put too much water in it. Anyways, there's that. Still good. Hope no one saw that. All right, don't lean back. All right, we're good. It's really good. It's really good, y'all. Well, anyways, so the plan is, I'm hoping tomorrow morning I'll get up and make a mountain house biscuits and gravy. I know Tish from No Judgment here, Tish Ross, would love that. I told her about it, so she's gonna try and get some of that. And so I'm gonna go ahead and make one, and so she can see it. So I do like it. I'm supposed to be meeting up with Kevin, hiking with Jackie Boy, and we need to do some camping out here at Inks Lake State Park, and then we can do some camping and hiking for sure. And then also Jennifer from Poodle Professor, she's awesome. She's got a great channel. Y'all need to check out all these channels. I think that she was going to meet up with us sometime up here as well. Not sure when that's going to happen, but I look forward to it. But yeah, we're going to do some meetups and stuff, hanging out, collaborations. Can't wait. Going to my mom's and up in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, stay with her Saturday night. And then I'm going to get up Sunday morning and drive all the way to Kansas. I'm supposed to be meeting up with my son, have him for the whole week for his spring break. But hopefully we can do a little bit of hiking and just kind of hanging out with my dad, stepmom Tara, and just kind of chill out, have a nice, relaxing, kind of fun week, you know, getting out doing things as well. But it'll be awesome. I'm looking forward to it. It'd be good to see my son and everybody. Man, that sun's looking good over there. I'm gonna get back to eating this real quick, and then I will see y'all here a little later. I go live tonight at 7 p.m. Central. I do have service. Hopefully y'all made it to the live tonight. Alrighty, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe if you're new. Guys, I don't even know if I'm gonna need a fan tonight. I don't think I'm gonna really need my Anchor Solix C1000 that's right down in here. I don't think I'm gonna put that in there. I think I'm just gonna make sure my phone's charged up before I go to bed, and just lay in there. I might get the sleeping bag out or something and kind of just maybe cover over me or get inside it somehow, because this is how I'm gonna end up sleeping. So I'm not even gonna worry about putting my cot up like I normally do. I'm just gonna leave the e-bike like that. I can have a leg up over that, have a leg over here. I should be fine. I don't know. What do y'all think? Maybe next time I can do a better job at this. If I had my folding e-bike, it would have been no problem. Oh well. Hey, the things I do for the things I like, right? Gotta have fun. Oh, look at the sky right now, y'all. Beautiful, ain't it? It is beautiful. That's right. Beautiful place here, guys. Beautiful place. I love it. I love it. Man, it's nice. I haven't had a campsite this close to the water in Texas in a long time, y'all. It's been a long time, but I'm happy. This is relaxing. A little windy. I wish the wind would die down some, but I got a neighbor over there, quiet. Just love listening to the sound of the water. I'm having fun, y'all. I love it. So, I might just have to see y'all here in a little bit tonight, because I already had my dinner and I'm gonna be going live here shortly. So just chilling out right now until I go live. Hopefully I can sleep some. I don't know if I'm gonna sleep that well tonight. but it doesn't matter. I still have to get up in the morning and still drive about 4.5 hours to my mom's house from here, so it'd be all right. Time to sit back, relax, have a couple cold snacks, go live at 7 p.m. I hope to see y'all there, and I will see y'all back here tonight before I go to bed. All right, guys, I'll see y'all in a little while. Love y'all. Well, good morning, everyone. It is 7:02. I'm in the cab of the truck now. The wind is still blowing like crazy, if y'all can see that behind me. I don't know if y'all can see it, but wind's still blowing, and it's pretty cool. It feels like 37 degrees right now, so wind's still blowing straight into me, back behind me now. So did my live last night. I went live longer than I thought I would. I think it went 4 hours and something minutes, I think. I don't know. It was fun though. I had some good people in there. Was having a good time. I slept okay. I had my legs up over the wheels and everything in the sleeping bag. It was fun. I slept all right. I didn't sleep great, but I slept all right. Allergies still bothering me. Of course, with all this wind, it's blowing everything around. All right, guys, I'll see y'all here in just a little bit. Just gonna sit here. I decided I'm gonna go ahead and make breakfast. I just kind of been sitting in the truck, chilling out, staying out of the wind. I finally turned my truck around so I can be back here and get out of the wind and cook a little bit. It's 8:51. I've been sitting around doing nothing for a while. We are gonna do the Mountain House breakfast skillet. So, Mama Tish, pay attention. It expires January 2053. I don't know if y'all can see that right there. 2053. Mountain House meals last a while. So, we'll get the Soto stove out. It does feel great to be out of the wind. Man, it is cool down here in Texas today. And the wind hadn't stopped since yesterday. It has been strong, just going this whole time. This is what it looks like before you pour the boiling water in and hydrating it. So that's what it looks like right there. This here, it says buttermilk biscuits with gravy and pork sausage, freeze dried. Y'all can see that. It's gonna be good. All right, it's done. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on a plate for y'all so y'all can see it. And I'm gonna put some, I did decide I'm gonna go ahead and put in some black pepper. Put some black pepper on. Oh yeah. I'll be right back. I'm gonna throw this away. Before I put any black pepper on, this is what it looks like. You can see that. Got a little bit of that sausage in there. You got your biscuit, the gravy. It's good. Throw a little bit of black pepper on top of that too. Ah, delish. Some of it wasn't fully hydrated. I might have sped up the process a little bit. But you know what? It's really good still. I'm gonna go ahead, get out of the wind, sit in the truck, and finish eating this delicious biscuits and gravy. And then we'll be heading out here shortly. All right, everyone. Well, I'm all packed up. I just gotta stop, throw away my trash at the dumpster, and be on my way to my mom's house to the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And then after that, tomorrow I'm heading to Kansas to see my son. So be looking for some more adventures, some videos coming, Kansas adventures. So it's gonna be fun. I'm looking forward to it. And I do want to say thank y'all for coming along, hanging out with me on this camping adventure at Inks Lake State Park. It was nice, it's relaxing, it's fun, but it's just been windy and cold this whole time. Very windy, couldn't really get out and do much. And I decided not to get the e-bike out. Hit that like button, y'all. Subscribe if you're new. Click that bell so you get notified for all future content. I'll have to definitely come back here again whenever it's warmer. And then I'll definitely do some swimming and kayaking out here. I'm gonna try and get the same campsite too. So hopefully I have better weather next time I'm here. There's gonna be a couple of adventures gonna be popping up on the screen here shortly. Click on one of those adventures and I will see y'all over there. Thanks again for watching Backroad Freedom. Love y'all.